Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to remove ghost followers from your Instagram account. So first of all, open your Instagram app, then go to your profile. After that, tap on the following section. Once you're here, you'll notice different categories. Ghost followers are usually found under the least interacted with category. Simply tap on that option and you'll see a list of people you rarely interact with. Now you can click on any profile and check if that person seems like a ghost or inactive account. For example, by looking at their followers or posts. You can also repeat this process for the other categories to identify more ghost followers and remove them if needed. That's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.